Hey guys, I just wanted to tell you a couple of things that I got. I got these earrings that I'm wearing here. They're from Avon. Come in a little box from Avon Wellness. They're actually gold tones and coppers and brown tones, so I thought they were really cute. I also got lip gloss. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's Plump Pout lip gloss. It's from Avon. It's in nude, and I'm wearing it now. I don't know if you could tell or not. It's like really just shine. As to plumping your lips, I don't think it does anything like that, but it does tingle a little bit when you put it on. I also got an eye primer from Mark. It comes in a little compact like this. It's really cute. The only other eye primer that I ever had was from Bare Minerals, and I still love it. Like, it works so good. I think it's called Prime Time. I did just put this one on, just this eye, and not the other one, and then I used this eyeshadow right here. It's from Avon also. It's in Dreamy. It's the eyeshadow trio. So that's on my eyes right now. I'll show you that. So I put the primer on one and not the other, because this one does tend to crease because it's a cream product. So I'm going to see if the eye primer helps that at all. I also got, this is from Avon. This is Instant Eyeshadow Sheets, and it's called In a Wink. So these you just break them in half, and then you put one eye at a time, and you just kind of rub it on, and then you gotta blend it a little, and then your eyeshadow is done. I also got a face primer from Mark. It's called Primed for Protection. Wow, Primed for Perfection. Sorry, I can't talk today. So I never had a face primer before, so I'll see how this works out. What else did I get? Oh, I also got a wax kit from Skin So Soft. It's also from Avon. It's microwavable. I just read the instructions. I never had my own wax kit. Never have I tried to do my own eyebrows or anything like that. So I'm going to try that out. Probably have my mom over or something to do that. So I hope that works out, because I don't know, it was like $12 or something like that. I also got the mascara that I'm wearing today. It's Super Full Midnight Mascara from Avon. I love Avon mascaras. I don't know why. They're usually they go on sale for like $1.99. You can't go wrong with that. And they work pretty well. I'm also wearing the Glimmer Stick eyeshadow from Avon in Blackest Black. And I use this eyeliner all the time, and I love it, and my sister gets it, my mom gets it. We always get the Avon eyeliners. And then for concealer right under my eye a little bit, I have, this is from Neutrogena. It's 3-in-1 concealer for eyes. I think it's 3-in-1 because it's a concealer, it's an eye cream, and it's also an SPF. I've had this forever. I don't even know if they make it anymore, if they sell it or what. I love it, and it works really well. That's all I got, so I'm definitely going to try out the wax. I don't know if it's going to work or not, and I'll let you know if this eye creases at all compared to this eye, and that would mean that the primer works, which I'd be really happy about.